Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Put Your Makeup On, where I post videos like this every Monday and Thursday. If you like what you see here, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos, of course. So for today, I wasn't going to do this video because I feel like everyone and their mother is filming this video, and I kind of would feel a little left out, if I'm being honest with you, if I didn't. It is my 2017 beauty favorites. So if you want to know what they are, this is how we do it on Put Your Makeup On. Just keep watching. So you guys have seen me use literally every one of these products on my channel. So a lot of these products really shouldn't come to no surprise, but I still wanted to share the products with you in case maybe I have some new subscribers. Hello, thanks for joining the Put Your Makeup On channel. There might not be a specific product for every single solitary category. I mean, these are the products that I know that work well. I always go back to them. So the first product is this guy. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For Primer. This is a newer product to me that I maybe got 4 or 5-ish months ago, but something about this product, which comes in a nice purple tube like this, it just makes my skin look like a porcelain doll. It does exactly what it says. It mattifies the skin. It minimizes appearance of the pores. Something about this formulation, whatever brand of foundation that I have on, I don't have to worry about touching up, getting oily. You know, like if I got rid of all my other primers from all my other brands, I would be okay just using this because that's how good it is. The next product is foundation, and my foundation draw is getting a little out of hand. Being that I still like to buy foundation and I still get a lot of foundation as gratis, but this one foundation has beat out every brand of every other foundation that I've ever worn, and it is from Too Faced, and I'm actually wearing it now. I did just film my birthday makeup using my favorite products, so I will have that linked down below or in a card, so whichever video goes up first, you'll see it regardless. But anyway, this is from Too Faced. This is the Perfect Peach Comfort Matte Foundation. This claims to be oil-free, 14-hour wear, oil controlling, and photo friendly, and 1000% I agree with all of those claims. My skin, I've never seen my skin just look so beautiful in a sense. I mean, I'm wearing it now, and I know I have lights on and my ring light and all that, so my face looks a little bit brighter than normal. It just makes my skin just look so gorgeous. I think this and this combined, if you are oily, this is just a match made in heaven. It definitely is also transfer resistant, which is my #1 reason why I love it so much. And it blends out beautifully. I can't say enough good things about this foundation. It is one of the most beautiful foundations, again, that I've ever worn in my entire life. I know that's saying a lot, but that's how I truly feel about it. Hashtag not sponsored. So I have my concealer favorite, which I feel like comes to no surprise. If you are living under a rock, then it might. But this is the Shape Tape from Tarte, and this is what it looks like, of course. I really like the packaging on this. You're getting a nice amount of product. The applicator is nice and jumbo. I personally scrape off a little bit because I feel coming out of the jar is a little too much, but it gives insane, beautiful coverage. Now, I personally do a color corrector underneath this. That's how serious my dark circles are. But of course, you could totally use it just by itself. I don't really have a color corrector favorite, but as a concealer, it gives beautiful coverage, lasts all day, no creasing. I have a lot of fine lines under my eyes, and a lot of different brands of concealers do tend to crease on me, but this doesn't. So really fantastic. I feel like I want to get a darker shade. I have light sand, which I feel is a little too light for me, but I still love it. I still love the coverage. Blends beautifully even with a brush or a sponge or your finger. Love it. I'm going to go straight into bronzer, blush, and highlight, and then we'll go into some eye makeup. So 2 bronzers that I actually have, and for good reason because I actually both hit pan on them, is Benefit Hoola, which you guys could probably see. I hit pan on it. I love this bronzer so much. Oh my god, I love it in the winter, I love it in the fall, I love it in the summer, even when I'm really tan. It just blends so effortlessly, and it's never patchy, it's never too much. And then the other one that I have is from Nars. This is like really beaten up, and I totally need a new one, because this is why. Obviously they're my favorites because, I mean, these two, out of all the bronzers that I have in my collection, these are the only two that I have hit pan on. So they're just so beautiful in every way, and how could I not mention them? So beautiful. Two blushes that I really enjoyed, and I found myself picking up all year round. I have one from the Balm, which is Down Boy. Again, you guys have seen me wear this bronzer blush so much in my tutorials. It just has that quintessential pinky shade. I mean, again, I'm so sorry if my lights are kind of bright and washing it out, but the color of this is just so like feminine looking and so like cute, those little cute pink cheekbones. It's a beautiful blush. It lasts really long, blends very easily, packaging is adorable, and I really just love the Balm in general. And I feel like I wish the Balm was mentioned more in YouTube. But anyway, another product from Tarte I really love. I have found myself picking this up and using it kind of sort of almost every day to work. This is the shade called Party. This is the travel version, which I actually did receive in last year's Sephora birthday gift. They do make it in a full size as well, but this shade is just, it works well with so many different eyeshadow looks. No matter what lip color I'm wearing, it just works. So, and because it's Amazon in clay, it's nice and long lasting. I never have to worry about this fading on me. Phenomenal. So I don't really have a specific brow product, but the one product I do have is from Anastasia, and it's specifically their clear brow gel. This is my second tube of this clear brow gel, which comes in a nice silver packaging like this. Easy for me to spot out in my makeup collection. I really enjoy this. I have it on now. I literally, no matter if it's raining or snowing or super hot and humid out, I never have to worry about my brows, like, you know, drooping or my brow product from fading. One of the most strongest, probably if not the most strongest eyebrow gel I've ever used. I really like Anastasia just in general, but this is like the icing on the cake whenever I go to use it. Like, I have fun using this product when I go to apply it. So one quick highlighter that I wanted to mention before I move on to some eye products is from Fenty Beauty, their Kilowatt highlighter. You guys have seen me, again, use this a lot in my tutorials over the year. Mean Money and Hustle Baby. This highlighter is just, it's just so phenomenal. Like, this is one of the products that I wanted to buy myself when Fenty first came to the market. The left pan is more subtle, the right pan is more pigmented. I have on both now on my high cheekbone area. Pigmentation is beautiful, blends easily. It gives you that really sexy, like, wet look on the cheekbones. I really love it, and the packaging is also really super cute, very unique, and it's amazing. So I don't have a specific eyeshadow primer favorite, but I do have two palettes that I have found myself picking up every single solitary time I do my makeup, whether it's for work or on camera. And again, I feel like this should come as to no surprise, but this is the Modern Renaissance. I know. Probably me and like a million other YouTubers have been saying the same thing, but this is just a beautiful palette. It really is. I mean, obviously you guys have seen this a million times on YouTube, but you have your beautiful daytime shades, your fun darker shades. You really truly can do a lot of looks with this. I mean, There's probably about 10,000 different combinations you could do with just these colors. I really do love it. If you guys would like to see any videos on this, I will have them linked down below, or just like search my channel, Modern Renaissance. But yeah, it truly is my favorite. I'm not just saying that, honestly. I mean, again, I know a lot of other YouTubers are like sponsored by Anastasia and stuff like that. No, they have no idea who I am. I'm truly telling you guys that this is my favorite. So yeah, the pigmentation's gorgeous. They blend out beautifully. They're easy to work with, whether you're a beginner or super advanced. So yeah, this is definitely my go-to. This is the Mad for Matte palette from e.l.f., which looks like this. And I love these colors so much. Nice amount of lighter shades for during the day, darker shades for nighttime. Really good black in here to smoke out that lower lash line. And this is just an all-around great palette. I love the way this blends. Never gets patchy no matter what brand of eye brushes I'm using. And it just works so well. Like, I just love it. Packaging is really cute, nice and affordable as well. Yeah, e.l.f. has definitely been stepping up their game lately, so kudos to you guys. Hopefully 2018 will be a good year for e.l.f. as well. I want to talk about liquid eyeshadows for a second, and I have two here that I definitely feel deserve a mention. I mean, obviously the Stila, what do you guys even call the Magnificent Metal Glitter and Glow. I have the shade Diamond Dust here, and I know there's a lot of other colors that I am wanting to add to my collection, but these guys, holy guacamole, they are like amazing. I really love them. I think the price point's like kind of but I don't mind paying it. I mean, for good quality, for beautiful pigmentation, whatever. So yeah, I really love the Stila ones, and I really hope they come out with more colors. I would love to buy like a value set of every shade. That would be amazing. And then the other one that I have here is from Revlon. I am obsessed with these, and I'm actually really surprised that not a lot of other YouTubers talk about these. These are the Photo Ready Eye Art, which you have one side is your liquid shadow and then one side is your glitter. I happen to have the green one in my hand, which is called Desert Dazzle. I did a whole video talking about my liquid favorite eyeshadows, so I will have that linked down below. So yeah, these guys are just phenomenal. Let me do a little swatch for you guys, because I think that these totally deserve more mention on YouTube. So that is what this looks like. I mean, again, I'm sorry if my lighting is pretty bright today, but look at the pigment of that. I mean, like, yes, Revlon, yes, thank you for pigment. And the glitter on that, I mean, that is gorgeous. So I love these, and I just think they're phenomenal. Of course, you can buy them for buy one get one half off or whatever the case is, so love those. I have a liner and a mascara favorite for 2017. I'm wearing both today. This is from Tarte, the Tartiest, I say double take. I've used it so much that all of the writing besides where it says Tartiest is completely off. This is a double take where one end is your liquid felt tip, which you guys could see right there, and then one end is your pencil. This pencil, my god, this is like really pigmented, and the actual liquid is really nice and saturated. I love both products equally. I really like how they did, you know, a 2-for-1, where I don't have to worry about carrying a separate eyeliner in my makeup bag if and when I'm traveling. So this, I kind of want to buy a backup of this, so yeah. Really good. And my mascara favorite is, again, the one that I'm wearing right now. This is the Shock Mascara from YSL. I love this mascara, you guys. I'm wearing it now, and my lashes like always look so good with this mascara. I never have to worry about it clumping or flaking or just getting weird throughout the day. Lasts my entire work shift, like, and then some. The wand on this is really nice as well. It does have a lot of product physically on the brush, but you guys could see here that is what the wand looks like. I happen to like a wand like this. I know mascara is all personal, you know, with your lash length and all that, but I would say if you're wanting to splurge on a mascara, I would definitely 1000% recommend this one for you. For volume, for length, longevity, no clumping, no flaking, everything you want in a mascara is in this package right here. Alright, so we're pretty much toward the end of the video. I want to talk about lips now. I have two favorites. One, again, from Too Faced, and this is the Lip Insurance, and you guys have seen me use this on my How to Get Valentine's Day Lips, I think it's called. I will have that video linked down below as well if you guys would like to see how to wear and apply the perfect lip. This product specifically is a demi-matte anti-feathering lip primer, and the reason being it has peptides in this to really keep the lips nice and hydrated and nourished no matter what brand of liquid lip specifically that I am applying. Of course, you guys know that liquid lipsticks, some brands are more drying than others, and this just makes the process and the wear time of any liquid lip 1,000 times more comfortable. Love this. I use it on a lot of my clients as well. And then I also do have, sometimes if I'm not in the mood to use this, I'll wear this. This is from Fresh. This is the Sugar Lip Serum Advanced Therapy, which has a nice cap as well. I just pump a little bit out on my finger, kind of smear it everywhere. Takes a couple seconds for it to sink in. This has a boatload of good vitamins and I think it's like willow bark in it. It does help diminish the appearance of fine lines around the lip as well, and I really, really, really enjoy this. So the last products that we have here are two lippies. Specifically, I don't want to talk about so much of the color because they literally look like the exact same thing, but the formulations themselves. I mean, not to toot my own horn, but I do have a crap ton of brands and liquid lipsticks. I mean, it would be insane if I did a whole video on all the liquid lipsticks that I own, but I'm specifically going to be talking about the formulas of these. So the first one being is from Sephora collection, and this shade specifically is number 41. I mean, the pigment on these is to die for. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. This is your beautiful quintessential brown, nudie, rosy, browny, mauve-y color. It's one of those colors that I think especially is nice and flattering on a lot of different skin tones. Really super comfortable. I don't have to worry about it fading or feathering, especially when I go to eat lunch. Especially at work. So nice and affordable as well. They literally have now every shade under the rainbow. So this is bound to be a color that you like. And then the other favorite that I have is from Wet n Wild. And these are the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Liquid Lipsticks. I really like the packaging on these. Something about it. I just like the packaging. It's just nice and sturdy. Also too, what's really cool, and another reason why I love these so much, is the handle on these. I like how it's like a C-shaped curve, so it fits the curvature of your lips really well. And same thing, nice and affordable. A little bit more affordable than obviously the Sephora ones, but still though, I mean, this is the shade in 925B. Give Me Mocha, which is a really adorable name. So I love these. So yeah, that is pretty much my 2017 makeup favorites. Oh my god, I cannot believe that 2017 is over with. I am definitely excited to see what 2018 brings. I have a couple resolutions. I want to be more in fit. I want to read more. I want to get more involved in my community. So yeah, just little things like here and there of being an adult I want to work on. So 2018, I hope, brings you love and happiness and joy. So comment down below letting me know what your New Year's resolutions are, and also comment down below as well letting me know what your favorite 2017 product was. That is pretty much what I have for today's video. Of course, I will have all the products listed down below like always, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Hello to all my new subscribers, and I shall see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys. Bye!